Hello, friend. This is Timothy Kimo Bryan, your head instigator for Create Art Podcast. We're continuing on. We're almost done with our Make Fun of Habit series, and we're talking about Game On, gamification of your creative endeavors. Can't wait for you to go ahead and take a listen to this one. Game on, people. I'll see you then. Oh, yeah, and Bob's on in the background, too.